Right, welcome back to Catherine job, and as I said in the previous video, next stage is to fit all the ply, which we have done now. All these screw holes we've filled in with what's called feather finish. And then when the floor layers come tomorrow, they'll just give this a bit of a rub down to make sure it's perfectly flat, then they can fit the floor in. So all the grouting has now been done. All the aluminium silver trims are on. Got to put the new window sill on there. We managed to put the shower valve fixed on. So all I need to do tomorrow is fit the bath and connect the feet up for the shower. Test that, make sure it's not leaking, it shouldn't do. So yeah, all in all, it's got another day or so, day and a half work left in here, and it should be complete. So I'll do another video showing the completed bathroom. I'll see you then.